Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how we're up a little over $1,100 this past 7 days from swing trading in the stock market. We're going to be talking about tips and tricks and some strategies that you guys can start doing to implement and become a better trader. So I hope you guys all enjoy this video. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you want to learn more about swing trading and trading, how to find stocks, strategies, the approach, everything, make sure you guys check out our school. It's absolutely fantastic. We got private live streams, we got a group chat, quizzes, lectures. It's an 8-week course where I teach people how to trade. It's not a get rich quick, it's not alerts or anything like that. You will learn to trade. So check it out down below. And given that the Lions, the Detroit Lions, you guys know it from Michigan, you guys know the Detroit Lions won 47-9 in this past game. So we're going to do a crazy sale for 47% off. You guys can use code Lions to get 47% off. So click that link, sign up. I'll see you guys in there, and let's jump into this here. So when it comes to swing trading and trading in the market, what is the most important thing that I think traders should do? And that's one, have very, very realistic expectations. Don't go into trading expecting to make $1 billion in the first year or two. Honestly, take a step back and really focus on the learning aspect of trading. Paper trade, learn, just be experimental, figure out what type of trader you are. Maybe you want to go towards day trading, or maybe you actually want to swing trade, and that's all completely fine. So let's talk about a strategy and the approach that I have had and I absolutely love here. So let's get this up and loaded. So the broker I am using here is Moomoo. They're absolutely fantastic, and they're a broker I would highly, highly recommend because they offer great charting, they offer great scanning, but more importantly here, they're a trading broker. So what they have is tools designed for traders, and honestly, I think that separates them from other brokers out there. But let's look at our trading journal. Having a trading journal is very important because you can see what's working in your strategy. So you guys can see here our average trade is about 285, which is good, which is really, really good. And you guys will notice that, our P&L, I'm not a trader where I'm going to have like crazy returns of 20, 30, 40, 50% in value. I'm not that type of trader. I'm somebody where you need to focus on base hits. So those 1, 2, 3% returns that just compound over the course of a year. That's what makes up a successful trader. So you guys will see here that the most important thing here is this. This is a trading checklist. So before I ever place a trade, about 95% of my trades follow this. So let's look at a stock that we're in on, and this is ticker symbol DX. So DX here, as we go and look at it here, you guys will notice that we have this really good upward trend. Trends, in my opinion, are one of the most underutilized things that traders don't look at. And what we have a tendency of seeing is a stock on a downward trend. A lot of traders love it because they think they're going to buy low and sell high, when in reality, that stock is just going to continue to sell off. So it's always better to find a stock on an upward trend that has sold off down to some level of support. So with ticker symbol DX here, one of the reasons I love it is we have that good upward trend. It also has heavy support here near and around the 90-day moving average line, which is this blue line. So moving average lines are technical indicators traders, hedge funds use, and analysts use to determine the general trend direction and support and resistance. So I'm sure you've heard of support and resistance. Support is just natural tendencies of getting buying pressure. Resistance is the complete opposite of selling pressure. So you guys can see here, each and every time it hits either the 90 or the 200, we have had great amount of buying pressure. So in an ideal situation, you want to buy at that 90-day moving average line. And that's exactly what we did. But we never make a decision just off one indicator. We also use the RSI, which was trading for a 36. The last time we was trading for a 36 was back in here, where we had this great move. Previous to that was in here. So I understood, okay, we have a lot of indicators in our favor. And another one here that I want to show you guys that I do think is very important is just a general trend line. Trends are very important. You guys can see the natural amount of buying pressure we've seen from this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a lot of supports with this stock. We have moving average lines, we have trend lines, and an undervalued RSI. So we have a lot of things checked off on our box. The next thing here that I think is important to do is to go to a lower time frame like the hourly and try to find some sort of support. And that's exactly here what we've seen. We've seen the stock sell off. Okay, we entered not because of this consolidation right here. This is that new support that the stock has found. But we entered because of this, because the stock had this nice little breakout about right here. So our average cost was about 1206. So we got in on that first breakout above it. Let's remove this so you can see it a little clearer. So you can see we got in on that first initial breakout. Then the stock has been rallying. The next move is to get some buying pressure above this red line, which is the 200-day moving average line. If we can get a push up above it, that would be a very bullish thing for the stock to do. But more importantly here, before we ever place a trade, what we need is a good risk and reward. So entering here, we set our target price all the way up here at resistance. We set our stop loss below this. So the risk and reward was about 6 to 1 from what I remember. Let me move this down a little. Yeah, about 6 to 1, about right there. So the reason why we set it there is because we do have this. So if it dips down below that, we can just move on to other opportunities. So the thing about swing trading and trading is you guys just need to focus on base hits. Don't expect to make $1 million. Just start small. Check out our course, Code Lions, 47% off. And make sure you guys sign up with Moomoo for the great charting, the good broker, all that good stuff. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. We'll see you guys. Take care.